Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC P0850, which indicates that there is an incorrect voltage correlation between the neutral position sensor A and B in a Honda Civic from the years 2016 to 2021. This error typically arises when the vehicle system detects a discrepancy in the expected voltage levels from two sensors that are designed to determine the position of the gear selector. The neutral position sensors, NPS, play an important role in ensuring that the vehicle can accurately recognize whether it is in a neutral or other gear position. This data is crucial for proper engine and transmission management. When the DTC triggers, it may affect the vehicle's ability to shift gears properly and could lead to other drivability issues. This guide will outline the components involved, possible causes, symptoms, and detailed troubleshooting steps to rectify the problem efficiently. The DTC P0850 relates specifically to the neutral position sensors, commonly referred to as NPS1 and NPS2. These sensors are essential for the vehicle's transmission system as they inform the powertrain control module, PCM, whether the transmission is in a neutral position. The NPS sensors are located on the transmission assembly, specifically near the shift lever, ensuring accurate feedback on gear position. If these sensors fail or provide incorrect voltage information, it can severely affect the vehicle's operation, causing the transmission to behave unpredictably. As a result, incorrect voltage readings can lead to issues such as difficulty in starting the vehicle or improper shifting, thus affecting overall drivability. Understanding the components' locations and roles is vital for effective troubleshooting and ensuring a smoothly operating vehicle. Several potential causes can trigger DTC P0850. And understanding them is crucial for effective diagnostics. The first possibility is a defective neutral position sensor. Any internal failure can lead to erroneous voltage readings that the PCM interprets as inconsistent. Another possibility is poor electrical connections, which might include corroded terminals or loose wiring. Such issues can disrupt the signal flow between the sensors and the PCM. Additionally, a faulty powertrain control module, PCM, itself may misinterpret the data received from the neutral position sensors, leading to the same DTC being triggered. Thoroughly reviewing each potential cause will guide mechanics toward identifying the actual issue and rectifying it in an informed manner. When DTC P0850 is active, various symptoms may manifest, indicating to the driver that there are underlying issues within the vehicle's transmission system. One common symptom is the engine not starting, as the PCM relies on proper signals from the neutral position sensors to enable engine activation. Additionally, drivers may experience transmission shifting issues where the vehicle may not shift smoothly or might encounter delays in engaging gears. Another visible sign could be warning lights illuminating on the dashboard, specifically the check engine light or transmission-related indicators, which signal to the driver that attention is required. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in diagnosing the problem swiftly and prevent further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0850 involves a systematic verification of the problem. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the on mode, which allows access to the onboard diagnostic system. Once in this mode, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the diagnostic trouble code, DTC. Clearing the DTC resets the system and allows for re-evaluation of the neutral position sensors. Subsequently, it is essential to move the shift lever through all available driving positions, including neutral, to enable accurate detection by the sensors. After completing this step, check again for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS to determine if the issue persists. This process ensures that you are working with the most current data regarding the vehicle's condition. In the second troubleshooting step, the mechanic must determine the possible failure area by checking specific parameters with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS will provide real-time readings of the neutral position sensors, which should show the current voltage levels. It's crucial to analyze whether the voltage readings from neutral position sensor 1, NPS1, and neutral position sensor 2, NPS2, are the same. If the readings align, this indicates that the sensors are functioning correctly. However, if there is a discrepancy in the voltage levels, this points to a likely failure in one of the neutral position sensors. The next logical step would be to replace the faulty sensor, ensuring that the vehicle receives accurate positioning data going forward. The third troubleshooting step requires turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode before proceeding. This step is critical to ensure safety while performing checks on the Powertrain Control Module (PCM). Utilizing the HDS, you should jump the SCS Service Check Signal line, which prepares the diagnostic system for further testing. It's essential to wait for more than 1 minute after jumping the SCS line to allow a refresh of the internal checks. Following this, you will disconnect the PCM connector E, which consists of 80 pins. Next, continuity between specified test points must be checked, specifically between pin number 67 and pin number 68. Confirming continuity ensures that the wiring and connections associated with the neutral position sensors are intact and functioning correctly. In the final troubleshooting step, further checks are performed to ensure the integrity of the wiring connected to the neutral position sensor. Disconnect the neutral position sensor 4P connector from the assembly, which allows for accurate testing without interference. Again, continuity between the specified test points must be verified, ensuring that there is a clear signal pathway between the PCM and the neutral position sensor. If continuity exists, this indicates a short circuit in the wiring between the NSS1 line and NSS2 line, which requires immediate repair. Alternatively, if there is no continuity detected, the NSS1 and NSS2 wires are functioning properly, prompting a replacement of the neutral position sensor to rectify the original issue indicated by DTC P0850. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P0850, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure that the problem has been resolved effectively. Begin by clearing the DTC once more using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Following this step, perform a test drive under various conditions to see if any issues arise with starting the engine or shifting gears. During this test, monitor for any warning lights on the dashboard, particularly the check engine light, which may indicate persisting issues. If all systems function smoothly without triggering codes, it can be concluded that the repairs were successful, restoring the vehicle to optimal operation. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding recurrence of DTC P0850 and ensuring the vehicle's reliability. Regular checks of the neutral position sensors can help identify potential failures before they become an issue. It is recommended to visually inspect the wiring connections for signs of wear or corrosion, as these are common culprits for electrical faults. Additionally, following manufacturers, service guidelines for periodic inspections will enable early detection of anomalies in the transmission system. Maintaining the health of the neutral position sensors and their connections can help prolong the lifespan of the vehicle's transmission and overall performance. In summary, DTC P0850 signifies an incorrect voltage correlation from the neutral position sensors, necessitating a structured approach to troubleshooting. Starting from problem verification and progressing through specific steps to isolate the issue is crucial for effective resolution. The implications of this error can affect vehicle startup and transmission functionality, making it vital for drivers and automotive technicians to respond promptly. Conclusively, implementing regular preventive maintenance can greatly reduce the likelihood of encountering similar DTCs in the future, ensuring a smoother driving experience for Honda Civic owners. Understanding both the symptoms and troubleshooting processes empowers stakeholders to maintain the vehicle efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.